Hey guys, hopefully you watched my video, the 5 steps to buying a home. And I told you we were gonna go into detail about some of those steps. So today we're gonna go into detail about step number 1, which is getting pre-approved. A lot of buyers that I meet with wanna just skip this step. It seems intimidating. They're scared to know their financial situation, but in all reality, guys, this is the best step. It's gonna help you make sure that I'm showing you the right properties. It's gonna give you a great idea of what you can afford, what your monthly note is gonna be. Many of my buyers don't really care about the price of the house as much as what that monthly note's gonna be. And so if that's you, if you're working on a budget and you need to know how much money you're gonna bring to the table, what you can afford, what your monthly note is gonna be, working with a good lender is gonna help you with all of those things. The last thing I wanna do as your agent is show you a house that's outside your budget, you fall in love with it, and then you find out, oh, that's $200 more a month than I'm willing to spend. Then we're stuck trying to overcome that and find something in a less price range, which is super hard to do. So if you're working with a lender, more than likely they're gonna have an online application. You can schedule an appointment to go meet them in their office, do the application, go meet with them in person if you prefer that, and get all the facts. Don't worry about your credit score being pulled, your credit report being pulled. They have to know that. Yes, it is a hard pull, but it's not gonna affect your credit score. And your pre-approval letter is good for 90 days or as long as nothing in your financial profile changes. So as long as you didn't buy a new car or incur any other new debt, that pre-approval letter is gonna be good for quite a while. So that's my information about getting pre-approved, and hopefully you find that useful. If you're looking for a house in the Baton Rouge area, I'm Jen Burns with Craft Realty. Hit me up.